Right, for the next one it tells us, given the plan of a figure resting on the oblique plane VTH, find its elevation. So you can see there it's based on a hexagon standing upright. So what you need to do first is actually draw out the hexagon in order to find the trace of the plane. So first thing you do is I'm going to draw my two 30-degree lines going each side, and I'm going to measure my 20mm for the length of one of my sides. So there's the length of one of my sides there. What I'll do is then I'll set that distance on my compass. Swing it this side. Them two lines are going to go straight down. They're also going to be the 20mm. And the last thing then is just to go 30 degrees back in each side to close off the hexagon shape. And then draw my two vertical lines in heavy there. So just to find my center point, all these will go through together anyway. There's my center point there, and I'm told that it is 25mm up from the center to my XY line. So I'll measure up 25 there. And I can now draw my XY line. And I'm also told this is from the center to where the traces meet. It's out 90mm out to here. And then it's at an angle of 45 degrees for the vertical trace, and it's an angle of 30 degrees for the horizontal trace. So my horizontal trace is there and my vertical trace is there. So the method is the exact same as before, and what I'll do is, just like in the actual book, it labels all the sides, so I'll just label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as well. So first thing, 1 and 6, they're both on the same line, so what I can do is I can take them up together at once. They go up parallel to my horizontal trace, they go straight up, take my vertical trace and across. So what I have there is, I have 6 there, and I have 1 there. Next thing I have 2 and 5. They're going to pass along the same line as well. 2 and 5, they go across. Remember, we're going parallel with our trace. They go straight up, go across there, and we have 5 here, and 2 there, and then finally 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 extend out there. We take them straight up, extend out my vertical trace, it's there, take that across, then 4 goes up to there, and 3 will extend up to it here. And all it's a matter of doing is connecting all my points together. So 1 to 6, 6 connects to 5, 5 to 4, 4 connects to 3, 3 drops back down to 2, and then 2 connects to 1. And that's the elevation of that surface there, the hexagonal one in plan. So it appears as a hexagon in elevation. In plan you can see it's a distorted view. And then the last one is going to appear as a circle in plan, so I'll show you it there. So you can see they're given the elevation of a figure resting on the oblique plane VTH, find its plan. So there's all the information we need there. It's a radius 32, it's up 34 for the centre, and the vertical trace and horizontal trace are 85 mil away from where they meet on the XY line. So I'll just extend out my XY line there. I'll mark my dot there for the position of where the traces are going to meet. And with this question, both are going to be at 45 degrees. So the centre is going to be 85 mil away, and the centre is located 34 mil up, and it's going to be a radius of 32. So in this question, if you look straight in at the elevation, the surface appears as a circle, and it's going to form an elliptical sort of shape down as a resultant plan. Both ellipticals are in shape as a result. So label my horizontal trace and my vertical trace once again. Now with a circle, we don't have actual points on it, so we need to divide it up. So in the book they actually show it dividing up into 45s, I think it is. Yeah, it's about 45 degrees. So I'm just going to copy exactly what they've done in the book, just to give it points that we can actually divide up with. So I'm going to go 45 degrees this way, and then if I was to quarter it there as well. And just copy the layout of the book as well, so they have one here going all the way around. Finally finishing up at 8. So we follow the exact same process again. This time our view is taken in the elevation. So what we need to do is take all of our points parallel to the vertical trace and then down and across. So I'll just start off with 8 here first. So 8 goes out at 45 degrees, goes down, goes across, and 8 is now there as a result. So repeat the process for all of them. So 7, take the point down, you get 7 there, 6 and 8 are going to be on the same line, so you get 6 there. So 5 is over to there. Point 4 there. 3 and 5 will pass through each other as well as a result. So 3 can be taken down to there, take 5 across to give me 3. Let's make it a bit more clear. And then 2 goes through 6, so if I extend 6 out, and take 2 and 2 and 4 on the same line, so there's 2, and then 1 and 5 are on the same line. 1 also happens to pass through 7. So we take 1 down, over like that, we get 1 there as a result. And then all we have to do then is draw in the freehand curve that results then. And that completes the question there then. So I hope that video helps anybody who was stuck.